Hello, this is Patrick with New Jersey's Outdoor Adventures YouTube channel here at Alair State Park. This is their group campsite, and I was mountain biking for today, and I bumped in a great group of people here. They all have some type of overland vehicle, and they're out here camping. It's $60 and you get a whole campsite. There's no electrical hookup or water, but they do have porta potties. And Randy here is going to give us a tour of his vehicle today. Hello, welcome to New Jersey Outdoor Adventures.
Hi, how are you? Randy.
Nice to meet you.
Yes, this is my rig. It's a 96 LX450, also known as Land Cruiser 80 series, and with an ARB bumper, non-winch, and with a hella fog lights, and CV antenna there, and I got a stock rims with a 285 7516 mud tires. And I just installed this new ring from Spring. This one is from Iron Rock Off-Road, a 2-inch lift with a shock from a Procomp, and pretty much it's a stock. And this one is from Smittybilt. Most of my stuff came from Smittybilt with a tent also, and they're really nice tent. I have this tent for I think 2 years now, and I didn't have any problem with it. And I had this extended ladder installed when I lift the vehicle. I need a longer one, so I need to put an extension on it. And let's see. Yep, this is inside here. Pretty much room for 2 or 3 person, 4 with kids, little kids, small kids. Yep, there you go.
You don't have to do it in the video, but can you explain this, how this goes away?
Yeah, it's a pretty easy mechanism right here. You just push this like this, and it folds. Pretty easy. Same way when you open it, you just unfold it and hang it like this. And the ladder that goes up also like that. Yep. And was like that and fold. Pretty easy, simple. It hangs. And I have my bike carrier here. It swings out, and that holds 2 bikes. There's a gas tank. I mean a jerry can holder. This swings too. This is a custom built from a Panda Off-Road from PA. I think it's Pittsburgh. Yep, and the open bars. Yeah. This table here came with this one, custom made. Just fold it when you don't need it and lock it somewhere here. We build a lock here, and it's pretty handy when you go at the parking lot or oops. This is our Coleman burner. And this drawer here, I built it myself. That holds everything that we need when we go camping. Yep. And I installed this switch myself. I have an extra external battery, second battery that powers everything, charged with the light and everything that we need. for the night. Yep, this is the custom build bumper that comes with a swing, and I have this quad for bike rack to swing out, so I can swing the tire carrier too in the table. And this is a Smittybilt awning too. It's I think it's 8 by 6.5, and it has this canvas cloth, waterproof, and then this comes with a tent. The LED it's supposed to be on the tent, but I usually use it here. We don't usually stay at inside the tent, so that's pretty much it.
And what sort of lifestyle do you enjoy with this vehicle? Is this like your everyday vehicle, or is this just to get away with the buddies for the weekend?
It used to be my daily drive, but I figure out it's really, you know, it's not good in gas, so I have another vehicle for a daily driver. So I just drive this car every time we go out camping.
And you probably did a lot of research before you bought a lot of the items that you put on here. Do you have any tips for our viewers? We have a lot of viewers that are, you know, researching between a travel trailer, a rooftop tent, and different types of vehicles. Is there anything that you want to share with our viewers on things that you learned while you were doing your research?
I think that's the very good question, because everybody wants to do camping or overland trip, and you don't know how much you're going to spend. So I tried searching for a very affordable but durable. You can't go affordable but not durable. That's a no-no. So I went Smittybilt. Smittybilt are really good products, and gears. I mean, they build quality tent and awning and roof rack. So I think I'm not saying that you can just buy Smittybilt. You can look for any other brands. There's a lot of brands there that gives really nice products. So anything that suits your budget, I think that's the point. Yeah.
Now, not including the cost of the vehicle, what would you estimate the cost of the tent and the storage racks you did in the back?
The tent is costs $700, and this one is I think it's $200. The roof rack is like $380, so it's not that so expensive. I think around everything is like less than $2,000. Yeah.
That's pretty affordable, you know, to get out here and just have a good time with some of your friends.
That I have
Take it out, bring it over there.
There's always more you could add, as long as you could fit it inside the vehicle.
What? I don't want to spend too much for just the gears that, you know, you can find a cheaper one, but you know, it's really durable. I think that's the point.
Well, thank you for taking the time. I'm sorry I grabbed you away from your friends here to give us a tour of your rig, but it caught my eye when I pulled in, and I really appreciate it. And just be safe out in the trails out there, and enjoy your vehicle.
Yeah, thank you.
Well, this is Patrick with New Jersey's Outdoor Adventures YouTube channel. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like this video, comment, share, subscribe. I'd love it. I'll see you soon.